everyone, welcome back. In today's video, let's see what is the new enhancement inside Odoo 19.4 CRM module. Okay, so here we are actually introducing a couple of useful improvements that actually makes it easier to manage leads and handle the recurring sales opportunities. So let's take a quick look. What are they? So first of all, you can now access a customer's existing subscription directly from a lead. Is that interesting? Yeah, it's definitely going to be interesting because you don't want to switch between each and every modules. So if I'm selecting one of the leads, so one we have in the qualified stage, and if I'm just clicking on there, from there itself you can see a smart button which appear on the top of this particular lead. There we have a subscription. So if you are working on a lead currently for the existing customer, you don't have to leave the CRM and search for that customers have the subscription separately. What you can do is click on the lead and there you will get a smart button. From there itself you can directly move on to the subscriptions. So now you can access the relevant subscription information directly from the lead, and it actually makes it easier for the sales team to understand the customer's current services and identify a new opportunities as well from there. So that's an interesting thing. So what you need to do, simply click on the subscription and you will get all the information regarding that subscription. What are the order lines, which means the products, and what is the timeline, the periods, and everything. Now let's talk about the second one. It is actually an update is particularly useful for the business that manage subscription on recurring services. So we can take this one as well because this leads us a recurring subscription needed thing. Okay. So from the same lead, you can now create an upsell and a renewal quotation directly from the subscription. So there you can see here I just selected that particular lead and moving on to the internal link of the subscription, and under the particular subscription, if this is a recurring one, I can upsell and renew it. Okay, so for example, if you guys are just imagine that the customer already has an active subscription like this. Okay, and during a sales conversation they decided to upgrade their plan or renew their service. What you can do, move on to the subscription button, and you will be here, and from there itself you can click on the upsell if they need the upsell, or if they need to renew this subscription. What you can simply do, click on there. Tada, you are just actually done that each of the process. Okay, so instead of starting the process from a scratch, what you can do is you can create a quotation directly from the subscription. Okay, so the new quotation also is linked with this lead if you're moving back to the lead itself. So your sales team can easily track the opportunities and follow up with the customer as well. So that's what the two improvement that happens inside Odoo 19.4 CRM module. And one thing that I want to say you that like some sales people were going to the different kind of the field sales, right? They are moving on to different kind of business organization and they are going to sell this kind of things. So once they are approved from there itself, how they can do all such things? Yeah, we have an interesting thing that I want to introduce to you because here Cybrosys, we are actually introducing Mobo, which is a mobile suite for Odoo. So you don't need to, just carry your system or a laptop wherever you guys are going. Like if you are a salesperson, if you're an owner, don't do it. You can just simply carry your phone because we are always carrying our mobile phone, because if that is an inevitable part, we are just dealing with each and every kind of things in our daily life using a phone. So as that simple, you can now deal with your business easily using a phone. That's why we are introducing Mobo to you guys. So where you will get the Mobo, you can directly move on to the App Store or the Play Store and please download that. Okay. Or for an easy purpose, I just provided the link on the description box. You can also move on to there and you can see what are the things that we are actually give you as a tribute, like. Okay, so just just give a try how you can deal with the Mobo. Like if you're using Odoo, definitely you can go and try it, and you can also trial it, okay, how it actually works. So that's all about, and let me know that your reviews and your suggestions and everything, please comment down below. I'll be very happy to see that kind of things, and also I'll be back with another kind of interesting features that appears in Odoo 19.4 itself. So till the next video, bye bye.